So there you go, the first rates coming in this morning, and it is a tempered move. We are sub that 22,500 mark, but then let's see how the rest of the day really shapes up from here. For the broader markets as well, we've taken a bit of a pause, although some amount of resilience there, at least from the mid-cap 100 index is what I can spot right now. Avas has come out with its note post their Q4 updates. They're saying inline AUM growth at 22% is something which is impressive. For IndusInd Bank as well, the advances growth has been faster than expected. And Bank, the big staff from yesterday, there's been a sharp growth uptick there. The MFI collections have actually picked up. Bajaj Finance, the quarterly updates coming in, strong AUM growth to close the year, slightly above estimates is what Jeffrey says. So let's see whether these stocks are contributing to today's move or not. Bajaj Finance, I can see, is trailing. It's down in the red. But HDFC Bank, considering that was the pin which actually led the market move up yesterday, today too I can see a bit of green on that stock. If we can just bring up the intraday graph for HDFC Bank. That said, some of the other stocks which are also going to be in focus, and yesterday didn't really turn out to be the best of day for some of these FMCG plays. So Dabur, Colgate, all of these stocks were in the red, and today Citi has opened a downside 90-day catalyst watch on both Page as well as Bata. So look out for what both these names do and whether or not there is any red coming in by for these names or not. Rashi Peripheral, sizable order of 1,511 crore rupees from NMDC Data Center. That stock may have gapped up in trade right now. Then, of course, there's Avas Financiers as well, wherein the disbursement uptick of 9.5% came in. AUM has risen about over 22%. Kalyan Jewellers, we just heard our researcher update on the same store sales growth, which is coming highest for FY24 for Kalyan Jewellers. That stock as well may have started off in the positive. And then Macrotech Developers as well, which just a short while back also came out with its Q4 update.
Right, so those are a lot of those newsmakers, but by and large, you're looking at a flat move coming in across the board when it comes to the individual sectors as well. No great shakes. Metals, IT, as well as the auto space in the red. Realty, Pharma, and FMCG. That's where you're seeing leadership. What do our technical experts make of the market open? And Kunal, let's get in a take from you first up. 22,075 thereabouts ahead of policy. How are you reading into the market move, and what's the first trade punching in?
Yeah, so I think it's been an okay start for the indices given the handover from across the globe as well as from the emerging markets. Now, my sense is in terms of the opening trade, Tata Steel, a stock which been bullish on over the last few weeks, that's a stock which has now come back into a slight resistance zone for itself. So would like to book part profits on the stock at current levels and then wait out for a corrective phase to come by for many of these better times.
Okay, so that's the take coming in on metals. What about you, Naresh? What's the first trade idea?
So looking out for a buy on dips on Hindalco closer to 570 odd levels. The stock still looks interesting with the breakout happening in aluminium prices.
Okay, point taken. So that's the view coming in. Hindalco is one buy coming in from Naresh as well.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.